People who actually come to the park. Most important thing is fitness. How much it impacted us during lockdown, everybody knows. So it was but imperative that we open the park as soon as possible. आणि आम्ही सॅटर्डे खऱ्यांनी ठरवले ओपन दवरपाक. आता ओपन जाता तेन्नाय हांवें मुद्दम खंयचो बरो टायम तो चयलो. आफ्टर 11:30 supposed to be good time. And other selected time was Saturday, where early morning we could have opened. But I said, without wasting a single day, let us open it fast. And I want to give this credit to Ligor, because within no time, he finished the maintenance. Whatever I told him to do, within less than 48 hours, he has finished everything. So I could open it earlier. So I told him, the moment it is ready, you tell me. He told me yesterday evening it was ready. So I said, do a few more things. कित्याक एक सांगता मुद्दाम, गव्हर्नमेंटाकडे पैसे ना. लायट्यो घालपा, आम्ही लायट्यो मागले, आमकां लायट्यो दिवना. आम्ही ओन आमचे अरेंजमेंट करचे पडले. केबलाचे ओन अरेंजमेंट करचे पडले. पायपलायनीचे हुंय कितें प्लगिंग करपा जाय, हुंय उदक दिवपा जाय, तेंय करचे पडले. लिटरली इट वॉज लायक प्रायव्हेट इनिशिएटीव बीइंग डन. पूण लोकांक फेसिलिटी जाय, कितें तरी करपा जाय. आनी तेका लागून आमी हो पार्क उक्तो केलो. आनी मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टंट थिंग इज, आज सावन लोकांक पार्क मेळटलो. हांवूय हे रस्त्यान कितले फावटी येता वयता, म्हाका दूख दिसतालें लोक रस्त्यार चलताले, बिकॉज द पार्क इज क्लोज एंड ट्रॅफिक वॉज गोईंग सो फास्ट. लकीली देर वॉज नो कॅज्युअलिटी. आय एम हॅपी. बट नाव दे हॅव द पार्क ओपन. माय ओनली रिक्वेस्ट इज, मातशें सगल्यांनी पार्क क्लीन दवरचो, मेंटेन करपा बाबतींत लोकांनी हेजेर काळजी घेवची. पब्लीक पार्क म्हूण कशें कशें हे कितें डिस्ट्रॉय केले. Youngsters come and sometimes drink and they throw bottles everywhere and they break them also. This should never happen in this park. No drinking, absolutely a big no. Ata part 2 of this. I am going to start the phase 2 of this park within a month's time of 45 days, less than 45 days. Phase 2 of this park, work is going to start. Work is going to start means park is not going to be closed. Nothing is going to be closed. Everything will go on as usual. What is the phase 2? लोकांनी गैरसमज करपाचो न्हू पार्क बंद जातलो म्हणून. Phase 2 is adding more facilities in the park. Like where you have the toilet block, you will have a food court, a modern food court, without impacting the park. The walking track, in due course of time, you will see it becoming broader with better walking material under your legs, better than what it is. Third thing, a crash for small children. When people come with their small babies, they can't walk. They trouble them. They can keep them there and this facility will be available. The fourth thing is, for senior citizens, a digital library. And also where you can get material to read as well. The normal things will be there. For youngsters, the youth, open air gym. Even in rain, they gymming korpa meta, tasle equipment. A closed gym as well for the youth. Water harvesting will be done. Water harvesting. Dusre, this area which always remains vacant, we are converting that into an entertainment place where people can have their parties, dance, small function. That will be hired out by the panchayat to the people. So that will be an open air sort of facility without impacting the park. We are going to ensure that it will not impact the park. So adding facilities without impacting the park. Outside also our land is there of the joggers park here, where they have put stones. We are putting up a huge Mahila Bhavan there. I call it Mahila because that is the core. They were the core when we thought about it. All sorts of activities, training for women in different courses where they have been trained. In the front part are going to be small kiosks where they will sell their wares. So when people come for walk, whatever they need for the house, some utility things, they can buy there and they can go. So it is going to be income for the women as well. And of course, there will be various other things like better trees we are going to plant. We are going to have water harvesting. We are trying to use from surrounding areas the sewage water for the watering of the plants after putting a plant. So we are exploring that. It is part of the project. Let's see how many things we can integrate in the existing park. So park बंद जावपाना आहा तसो चलतलो पूण ह्यो सगल्यो एडिशनल फॅसिलिटीज एड जातल्यो कित्याक इतलो बरो पार्क आसतना सुद्धा इनकम ना. वी डोंट चार्ज एनी मनी. इट इज फ्री and we are there to get some income so that everything is sustained. Better security, better gardeners, better water. When water is not there, you should have money to get through tankers. So we should not be burdened even on the panchayat. Panchayat sometimes may be thinking, and they have spoken also, that it is a burden what has been put on them because they have no money. It is not a burden. In the long run, I had envisaged. We had made phase 1 and phase 2. त्यांना परिकरान सांगले मेक फेज 1 and phase 2 यू डू आफ्टरवर्ड्स म्हणून ते फेज 2 आता उरलेले आसा ते आमी इम्प्लिमेंट केले म्हणटकच आमकां सेल्फ सस्टेनिंग पार्क जातले. वयल्यान जाय जाल्यार पयशे उरतले टू डू मोर थिंग्स फॉर द पीपल अराउंड दीस एरिया. सो हे सांगून म्हाका खुशी की इतले व्हडले संख्येन सगळे आयला आमचे पंचायतीनसून, आमचे शेजारी पंचायतीसून, मागीर आमचे सगळे कार्यकर्ता आनी बाकीचे हांगासरले रावपी नागरिकूय आयला. म्हणजे इतले तांकां जाय आसलो पार्क उक्तो जाल्लो. हांव तांकां सगळ्यांक शाबासकी दिता कित्याक तुमकां पार्क उक्तो जाय, तुमकां बरो पार्क जाय म्हूण आमकांय स्फूर्ती मेळटा करपाक. हें सांगून हांव समजता आज बरें काम जाल्लें आसा. दो इट इज नॉट इनॉग्रेटिंग एनीथिंग, इट इज जस्ट रिओपनिंग ऑफ अ क्लोज पार्क आफ्टर पॅन्डेमिक. एनी एक्टिविटी हॅपनिंग आफ्टर पॅन्डेमिक इज अ ग्रेट थिंग. पॅन्डेमिक जालें आसतना. सो दीस इज द स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ युअर कंट्री. दीस इज ऑल्सो द स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ गोवा. आम्ही मागिल्ले 100 कोटी, आमकां मेळ्ळे 300 कोटी. फायनान्स मिनिस्टर्स मिटिंगाक सीएमान म्हाका धाडलेलो. हांव थिंगा सारखे मांडवड हे भाशेन स्ट्रॉंगली केली. आज आमकां 300 कोटी मेळ्ळे. शाबासकी आमच्या सरकारा, आमच्या चीफ मिनिस्टरा की आमी 300 कोटी एक्स्ट्रा हाडपाक शकले म्हूण. सो वॉट एवर प्रॉब्लेम्स वी हॅव, परहॅप्स इट्स नॉट इनफ. 300 crore इज नथिंग, बट एटलीस्ट वी हॅव सम मनी टू मूव ऑन. हें सांगून सगळ्यांक देव बरें करूं.